Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the calendar settings for a specific calendar in Google Calendar. So in the left panel, find the calendar that you want under My Calendars or perhaps other calendars. Click on the Snowman menu and then click on Settings and Sharing. Once you do that, the settings for the calendar will pop up, and keep in mind that general settings for your Google Calendars, which would apply to all of your calendars, are different. These would be settings that apply only to this calendar. You give it a name, description, time zone, all sorts of stuff. Those will all be covered in separate videos later, but this is how you can quickly access the settings that are specific to that particular calendar and not all of your calendars in general.